Hello friend. Today we will start our course. First we will make new template. Okay. First starting from the new template, we will set a unit command. We'll convert inches into Okay. Template and select AutoCAD Electrical IEC. Okay. You can just click here. Template is came. This is a AutoCAD template. We will remove this template and we will make a new template. Template size always on the this auto mode, okay, because the line should be exact on exact position. Just you can see the measurement value is showing like that 410, but not showing it is inches. We will change this one. We'll set a unit value. So you can delete this one, making a new template. Draw one line here to here, okay. And next you can go to dimension. We'll measure this dimension. You can see here it is came exact value but not showing it is inches, okay, or whatever the value of this one. We will set a unit command un, okay, just enter it and just you can click here decimal, okay, we can put it decimal only. Next precision and set this third one 0.00 and unit millimeter, okay, just click it. This one you can, as per the standard, which one standard you want, international or American, click here. Next minus dwg, dwg, then it's came AutoCAD default value setting. You can see here draw units inches, feet, millimeter, centimeter. Click 3, enter. Decimal, we want decimal, you can click 2. And next display format, you can click 2, enter. It is a default value of AutoCAD. Can go here. Yes, yes. Okay. 4 times you can click on the yes option. You can go on D. You can click the modify. Okay. You can see modify. Modify. You can go here a symbol arrow. Symbol arrow above the dimension. Okay, this we will put above the dimension. You will change only one, this one. Next you can go to fit dimension line with ladder. Okay, we will click here, second option. Next we will go to primary unit. Click here primary unit, decimal. Okay, this is also 0.001, 0.00 here and degree. We will check the alternate unit inches. Okay, click here, set the format of engineering. Click here. You can see here we are converting from to inches. 1 equal to 0.039370078. This value we can put it here. And tolerance we don't want. And next primary unit fit up and click OK. Set the current, click here and close it. Go to dimension. Click the specific points. This is the mm, but it is not showing here mm. Okay. Set the unit commands.